There's my poor car there, sitting in the middle of it.
Что там молится внизу где-то.
Where's Bill?
Был. Внизу? Ужас. Это плохо видно. Сетка.
See. Everything's buried. Here's the view from the backyard. What a lovely, pristine. Just want me to jump out there and play.
Wait, Natalie's up there? Oh. Wait, playing?
What did I see?
Those
Oh,
big
those
ones.
hanging over there?
Those huge ones. See those big ones there?
Wow, look at those.
Guess what it is?
And
Big icicles go all the way up in the wall.
I gotta be careful not to
Yeah.
shake this and we're under there.
сосульки. Это называется сосульки, их можно сосать. Я знаю, но их называют сосульки. Потому что we make a movie and not recording anything.
Wow.
Good times.
Look at that.
Blizzard. Again. This is the third time.
Метель.
It's the third time this winter.
Yeah.
Actually, this month, actually.
Start from there. Okay, next one. Next one. Oh, close the door.